Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by verifying whether your device can reach the network and which resolver it's using. First, run the network status command for your platform to see IP, gateway, and DNS entries. This tells you whether DNS is absent or just failing. Once done, ping the gateway and a public IP like 8 to confirm routing works. If routing is fine, inspect the resolver configuration file or resolver service to find the active DNS server and any overrides. This directs the next action. Next, replace the resolver to isolate whether the server is the problem. You should change the DNS to a reliable public server like 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8 in the adapter settings or by editing resolve. Conf temporarily. This quickly shows if resolution succeeds. Then restart the local resolver or network service so changes take effect, and run dig or enslookup against the target domain to see the full response, including TTL, answer, and which authority responded. This proves whether DNS resolution is restored. Finally, make the fix permanent and verify caches are clear. If the temporary DNS worked, update DHCP server, router settings, or your OS network profile so the correct resolver persists after reboots. Make sure to flush local resolver and browser caches so stale failures disappear. If problems remain, capture DNS traffic with TCP dump to check for DNS refusals, NX domain, or truncated responses. This reveals upstream filtering, firewall blocks, or MTU issues. One troubleshooting tip. If packets are truncated, lower MTU or allow DNS over TCP.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.